In a world of nonstop news, having access to trusted magazines is more important than ever. In this crash course, you'll find popular magazines in the NC Live collection, such as The Atlantic, Essence, and the New York Times Magazine. If you are accessing from home, start by selecting your library in the top right corner and logging in using your library card. Let's start by searching for The Atlantic. Type The Atlantic into the search bar on the home page and you'll see it listed as a recommended result. Once you click on that link, it will show the search bar for Masterfile Premier. Scroll down and then you'll see the magazine. Click on the right to see a full list of available issues organized by year and date. We will access the latest issue from Masterfile Premier. I'll select the first article about the famous writer of spy novels, John le Carré. Once I click on the PDF option, I'll see the magazine as it would appear in print, and then I can navigate to the other articles using the table of contents on the right. You can download the PDF by clicking the download icon to save it for offline reading. Want to read the latest issue of Essence? Just return to the search bar on the home page and repeat the steps. Another approach you can take is clicking on the Browse tab and clicking the link to search by journal title. In this search, we'll find the New York Times Magazine. I see that it's available through ProQuest. From there, I can click on that link to find the latest issue. This magazine is also available to read in the same layout that you would see in the print version. I just have to click on the PDFs of articles to view them. I also have the option to download the PDFs of these articles. NC Live makes it easy to access popular, high-quality magazines from anywhere, perfect for staying informed, inspired, or just entertained. Thanks for watching this NC Live crash course. You'll find links to additional resources in the description below. And if you'd like to learn more about NC Live resources and tools for librarianship, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below.